there, everyone. Welcome to our latest episode of My Favorite Plant. So today I am here with Deb, and Deb has worked for us for
This is my second season.
And what do you do here at the Bruce Company?
I am the lead in the nursery department, so I take care of trees and shrubs.
Yeah. Make sure stuff is healthy, puts things away when all the trucks come in the spring. It's a really big job. So Deb, today, because I don't know about you, but I have a different favorite plant every day. Today, what's your favorite plant?
Today, my favorite plant is the tree-form hydrangea paniculata. It's also known as a PG hydrangea. They're very popular. They are very easy to grow, which some would not think in Wisconsin, but they are a beautiful addition to a garden. A lot of people are liking smaller trees this year, I'm noticing, and these fit the bill. They start blooming mid to late June, and they'll go all the way through the first frost. And a lot of people like to leave the brown flowers on the tree for winter interest. They're very low maintenance. They do like water, just like every hydrangea.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of great varieties, and this particular one is a quick fire hydrangea, and I do like this one very much.
Quick fire is really cool because it has some fall color too. And also, you didn't mention, but panicled hydrangeas go through a cool color change. So when they bloom, they'll be super white usually, or a creamy white. And then sometimes, like limelight, it'll go to a lime green. Like strawberry vanilla, it will go quickly to a sort of deep pinky red.
Yep.
And quickfire is cool because like I said, it is one of the few that has fall color.
Yep, very, very pretty.
So the flowers are super long lasting, and if you're that kind of person that likes to dry flowers, panicled hydrangeas are really easy to dry. Just clip them off once they get to that sort of past the white stage when they're fully open, and I like to rubber band them together and hang them from a hanger, and they'll dry quite nicely. They won't limp out. They kind of keep their color.
I even put them in my winter pots.
Yeah,
when they're dry, they look pretty.
We get wreaths, and they look really cool in winter wreaths as well. So what kind of conditions do they like though?
They like full sun. Like I said, they can tolerate a moist area. Yeah, and they're just super easy.
Yeah, so if you want a hydrangea and you've always been told you can't have them because you don't have that morning sun location, these are perfect because as long as they get about 4 to 5 hours of sun, they'll bloom pretty nicely, but they will take full sun. So excellent. Thanks for sharing that with us,
thanks
Deb.
for asking.
And happy gardening from all of us here at the Bruce Company.